Hey everybody, this is Paul, just giving you an update on the newly installed Gateway 2 to replace the previous backup switch. This is the new system. As you can see, they had to remove some things, a couple holes here and there, but essentially taking off that backup switch that did the job of this Gateway 2. So it was pretty much a full day's work where they did that. I'm also now officially utility approved from this beautiful little stamp right here. And yeah, it was a full day of work. It was really handled well by the Northwest Solar and Electric team. And you can see some additional conduit that goes to the solar on the roof. There was some conduit added as well down on the bottom here for the additional Powerwall, since we added another Powerwall to the existing Powerwall Plus. So this Powerwall Plus has been there the whole time, and then we added the Powerwall next to it, which still functions off the inverter on top. But you can see the differences are with the single Powerwall Plus, there was none of this conduit on the side coming out here. This was totally blocked, and there was no conduit at all. But to link the two Powerwalls, they had to open that up. And then across the bottom, I should have moved my Peloton bike. They added that conduit across that then connects up to the side here for the other one. So now everything's controlled through the gateway. So they actually unplugged the internet connectivity from the inverter in here because it was beeping after the install. So if you ever have a weird beep sound after you did a switch from a backup switch to a gateway, which you probably will never have to deal with, that's maybe what it is. But that's also a super dangerous DC voltage in the inverter, so also don't ever open that. And yeah, so that's essentially the whole setup here. Everything's active. Got it set to 90% backup now, since it's very much winter outside. But yeah, that's the end game here. Hopefully everything works. We can give some updates on fall and winter production, but you can see there's a lot more stuff on the outside, and we'll paint these conduits and patch everything up in a bit here, but it still looks good overall. And I guess I should show the inside of the Gateway 2 if you get this system. So I was told also never to open this, and this main disconnect actually turns off the power to the whole house, so never to do that. And also never to trip these, because with the Powerwall Plus and the solar linked to the main Powerwall Plus and then the additional Powerwall, tripping those could actually decommission the system and have to have it recommissioned. So anyway, a lot of stuff never to touch, and hopefully everything will just work beautifully forever. And that is the update, and a good summary of the difference as well. If you look at some of my older videos, the difference between the backup switch system and this system. So exact same app, like end user functionality, just totally different way of going about it. So anyway, hope this is helpful, and take care.